Now they're thinking of giving them within 1 month after 28 days. 21st May when the vaccine will come. That's what they are not sure. So they are supplying. Now the vaccine will be supplied by central. Then it should be smooth after that. Let's see. Very clear.
की लोकांनी मास हे वॅक्सिन घेवचें कित्याक थोडे लोक भियेतात ना सगळे ते मिक्सअप म्हणून ताका फाटीं फुडें सोदतले आतां हे सेपरेट सेंटर सेपरेट जाल्लो आसा लोकांनी येवचें वॅक्सिन घेवचें कित्याक वॅक्सिन घेवपाची चड गरज आसा कित्याक यू वील अवॉयड कॉम्प्लिकेशन इवन मोर्टॅलिटी टू व्हेरी नेग्लिजिबल percentage. So I'm requesting, as Dr. Abhish has said, that all the lactating mothers, all the parents who got children 15 years, moreover the taxi people, the pilots, all of them, whichever are entitled, please take the mass vaccination so that they can avoid these further complications. Moment the lungs get affected, the whole thing drops, and when it goes, the city score goes to 18, 19, it becomes very, very difficult for doctors to save one's life. So my request is to each and every of my constituent and the people of Goa, who have not taken the vaccination, come forward and please do the need. I must say, we're going to inaugurate this vaccination center, which was earlier Ayush center. And because of much importance to be done, because when the head of the requested me, and I said that, sir, because now the rains are approaching, and I think the test done on one end, I think the OPD people, which is quite big in number, as doctors rightly said, that people come from all over, because we have a good team of doctors, sisters, the management is quite good here. So I said yes, and having this such a huge place, which you could have put in use, like the waiting room, because this was always there, the waiting room, the doctor requested me, we just have to do a little of the work, some renovation, which will take time with the government. I just said nothing to worry about, with my support, under CSR, I will get it done. So immediately we got the whole completing done, we put the shade because the rains, and immediately I said it's important that our people have to be taken care of. त्या उपरांत इमिजिएटली आमी हें काम केलें नायज आमचे मास वॅक्सिनेशन हांगा सुरवात केली तशेंच वेटिंग रूम जातलें आमच्या लोकांक एकदम एकदम बरें जातलें सेफ एंड विल बी सेक्युर्ड सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड मोर ओवर द ओपीडी पीपल विल बी at one end. The testing also is outside. Also, they are also well protected with the rains. Expecting rain. Rains have started already. So I must appreciate and congratulate Dr. Pritham and full management for the dynamism they've been showing all the time, and I'm sure the people of my constituency are very, very happy. And also the people, I myself get a lot of calls, and I call up Dr. Pritham, I said, so and so people want to come, it's possible, give an appointment. And she's all been cooperative, and that is how our PH is doing.
We have already started vaccination for about 45 years, which is being continued here. And special categories are parents of children who are below 15 years. So they have to get the birth certificate of their child who is below 15 years plus their Aadhaar card. And also we are starting first dose vaccination for the seafarers with their proper ID card. Okay, so at present only the first dose will be given here. About the second dose, the notification has not yet come. As soon as the notification comes for those priority categories that their vaccination will be before 84 days, we will start for that category also. So I request everybody in Aldana area, those who have children, the parents who have children below 15 years, to kindly come forward and vaccinate themselves, because the vaccination is only the uh, the hope where we can defeat this coronavirus. And also the seafarers who are in Goa, in Aldana area, to come along with a proper ID card so that they can get vaccinated themselves. And also comorbid, those young people who are having comorbidities, they also can come and along with a proper certificate from the doctor, they also can get vaccinated over there. Okay.
Vaccination center which is outside the PHC. Till now in our primary health center Aldona, we have vaccinated almost around 8,000 people in our vaccination center which was inside the primary health center Aldona. There we have received many applauds from the people that it is a very good vaccination center with the leadership of our health officer. But taking a little step forward, our health officer and we decided that we also should have a vaccination center which is outside the PHC just to decongest the place so that the process is smooth for the people who are coming for vaccination. With this regard, we have spoken to our Honorable MLA, and with the support of our Honorable MLA Shri Glenn sir, this place has been now designated vaccination center. It was primarily constructed as a Ayush center with the support of our Ayush medical officer Dr. Aditya Barve, but now currently this place is remodified into a vaccination center with the efforts of our health officer and with the support of our Honorable MLA Shri Glenn sir. I would like to request our Madam Dr. Preetham to kindly welcome Glenn sir and
particular to our primary health center. Of course, he is not a guest, but he is our pillar of support, I should say, for any of our endeavors. We succeed because there is a solid support from our sir always. And when we decided to shift the vaccination center from the primary health center to this place, as usual, he firmly stood behind us and supported in making this work very easy within few days. And only to mention to him that we have planned to this, only the one part of the quarter that Dr. Gaurish mentioned was nicely renovated as a Ayush center, but the remaining place was quite shabby, but now it is done up to some extent so that people are comfortable. So as you can see, there's a waiting area. Then in this right hand side quarter, we'll be giving the injection on observation, and then the people can go after waiting for half an hour. So this was at the directions of Honorable CM that we should have the vaccination center away from the PHC. So this is being in the same campus out of the main PHC building. So many people had apprehension in coming to the primary health center for vaccination because they thought that there are COVID patients over there coming for testing. So this used to hold many people back. That is the feedback I got from a lot of ward members, etc. So this, I think, will move to be a better facility for the beneficiaries who want to avail of vaccination. So today, finally, we are inaugurating it.